What if I told you that you could be earning $500 every day with a tool you probably haven't fully tapped into yet? Sounds too good to be true, right? Have you ever felt stuck in your job, dreaming of making money comfortably from your home, but unsure where to start? Many people feel overwhelmed by the complex tools and tactics marketed online, which often require prior knowledge or significant investment. Today, I'll show you a straightforward path to financial success using ChatGPT's latest features, turning your uncertainty into a reliable income stream without any prior experience. Point 1. Understanding ChatGPT and its new features. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence tool that you can converse with just like a human. But what makes the latest version of ChatGPT stand out? It can now search the internet in real time. This means when you ask it a question or need information, it doesn't just rely on preloaded data. It goes out on the web and fetches the most current information available. This feature is a game changer for anyone looking to stay up to date with the latest trends and data without manually scouring the internet. Imagine having a personal assistant who never sleeps, constantly analyzes the internet, and provides you with the most relevant and timely information. This is what the new ChatGPT can do for you. For entrepreneurs and freelancers, this means faster and more accurate insights for making business decisions. You can quickly identify market trends, understand customer preferences, and create content that resonates with your audience right now, significantly speeding up the process of making money online. Point 2. The power of seed prompting. Seed prompting is a strategy where you use specific prompts to guide ChatGPT in generating content that's not just relevant, but also tailored to current trends. By inputting a seed prompt, you set the direction for the AI, enabling it to produce more focused and effective responses. This method leverages ChatGPT's ability to pull in fresh data from the web, ensuring that the content it creates is based on the latest information available. Let's say you're in the health and wellness niche and want to find out the latest trending diets. By using a seed prompt like, "What are the latest trending diets in 2025 according to recent articles?" Logically, ChatGPT can utilize its new search functionality to find and summarize current trends directly from recent online sources. This prompt doesn't just bring back generic information, it taps into real-time data, giving you insights that are incredibly relevant. Point 3. Setting up your system. To fully use ChatGPT's new features, you first need to sign in to your account. If you don't have one, creating an account is free and easy. Once inside, ensure you're using the latest AI model, currently GPT-4. Now, the key update you need to activate is the Browse with Bing feature. This enables ChatGPT to search the internet in real time, allowing you to access fresh, updated content instead of relying on outdated information. To turn it on, go to Settings, find Custom Instructions or Advanced Data Settings, and enable web browsing. With this activated, ChatGPT can fetch the latest trends, news, and insights for your niche, helping you stay ahead of the curve effortlessly. To make things even easier, we have created a downloadable checklist that includes all the steps you need to follow. This checklist not only walks you through setting up ChatGPT correctly, but also includes powerful prompts you can use right away, instead of figuring things out on your own. This document simplifies the process, ensuring you don't miss any key steps. Point 4. Finding trending topics. Using AI tools. Staying ahead in any niche requires you to know what's trending. The best way to do this is by using AI tools that can analyze real-time data and identify what people are talking about. ChatGPT, combined with tools like Spotter Studio, can help you instantly find hot topics with high engagement potential. By simply asking ChatGPT to scan the web for recent discussions in your niche, it can return a list of top news articles and viral trends from the past 30 days. This gives you fresh content ideas that are likely to attract attention and engagement. Practical demonstration. Let's say you're interested in the fitness industry. You can type a simple prompt like, "What are the latest trending fitness challenges in 2025?" ChatGPT, with its browsing feature enabled, will instantly fetch data from the web and give you a list of viral fitness trends. From there, you can analyze keywords, create engaging content around them, and even use Spotter Studio to check which related videos are performing best. This ensures that you're not just guessing what people are interested in, you're using data-driven insights to create content that has a high chance of success. Point 5. Creating content that sells content creation. Tips: once you have a trending topic, the next step is creating content that grabs attention and drives engagement. The key is to make your content valuable, easy to understand, and visually appealing. Whether you're writing a blog post, making a YouTube video, or creating social media content, always focus on what the audience wants. Start with a strong hook, something that makes people stop scrolling. Then, provide useful insights, add personal experiences, and include a clear call to action, like asking viewers to comment, share, or buy a product. Tools. Introduction. To make content creation easier, AI-powered tools like Spotter Studio can help. Spotter Studio finds viral video topics by analyzing YouTube trends, so you don't have to guess what works. You can input your keywords, check the latest successful videos, and even get inspiration for your own content. Another great tool is ChatGPT, which can generate content outlines, summaries, and engaging captions based on trending topics. By using these tools together, you can create high-quality, viral content faster than ever before, ensuring you stay ahead in your niche. Point 6. Monetizing your content affiliate marketing. Introduction. Now that you have engaging content, it's time to turn it into a source of income. One of the easiest and most profitable ways to do this is through affiliate marketing. This means promoting products and earning a commission on each sale made through your referral link. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share a Sale allow you to find products related to your content and generate unique affiliate links. The key to success in affiliate marketing is promoting products that match your niche and audience interest. For example, if you're creating content about fitness, you can promote gym equipment, supplements, or workout programs. Creating a website. To maximize your earnings, creating a simple affiliate website is highly effective. Using AI website builders like Hostinger, you can set up a site in minutes. First, choose a domain name related to your niche. Then, use the AI website builder to generate a professional-looking blog or landing page. Add your affiliate links, post valuable content, and optimize your site for search engines. Once your website is ready, share it on social media, YouTube, and other platforms to attract visitors. The more traffic you drive to your site, the higher your chances of making passive income through affiliate sales. Point 7. Expanding your reach. Multi-platform strategy. If you want to make 500 plus per day using ChatGPT, you need to maximize your content's reach. Relying on just one platform limits your growth. The best strategy is to post across multiple platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and X, formerly Twitter. This increases your chances of going viral and attracting a larger audience. For example, if you create a YouTube video, you can break it down into smaller clips for TikTok and Instagram Reels. You can also turn the main points into a Twitter thread or a LinkedIn post. Posting on different platforms ensures that your content reaches people in different ways, increasing engagement and conversions. The more platforms you use, the more exposure you get, leading to more clicks, views, and potential earnings. Content diversification. Adapting your content into different formats allows you to reach a wider audience. Not everyone consumes content the same way. Some prefer watching videos, while others like reading blog posts or engaging with social media. A single piece of content can be repurposed into various formats. A YouTube script can be turned into a blog post, social media captions, and even an email newsletter. Tools like ChatGPT and AI-powered video editors make it easy to transform one idea into multiple content pieces, saving time and effort. By diversifying your content, you ensure that your message reaches the maximum number of people and increases your chances of making money from different sources. If this video gets 5,000 likes, I'll create another one showing you the best ChatGPT prompts to automate your entire online business. And if we hit 10,000 likes, I'll reveal an even bigger strategy that top earners are using right now to make thousands every day. So, if you want more insider tips, smash that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on future updates. Let me know in the comments what part you found most helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Blast off!